Last night, SpaceX had a rocket explode, and they called it a unplanned rapid disassembly. Well, I thought of that for a moment, and I said, we're using wrong terms in the woodworking business. Instead of calling it a mistake, how about we call it a unplanned design change? On the lathe, when I have a catch, instead of calling it a catch, how about calling it a unplanned roundness reduction? When I engage the brake on my saw stop, instead of calling it, holy crap, that scared the crap out of me, call it an unplanned rapid saw blade reduction of speed. When I cut my finger on the bandsaw, how about I call it a unplanned surgical event? See, changing terms makes it better.